And there's breaking news coming in. There is another politician. This is the Shiv Sena MLA from Buldana. His name is Sanjay Gaikwad. He has now made a controversial statement about Lok Sabha Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. He has offered a reward of 11 lakh rupees for anyone who cuts his tongue. Listen in.
अमेरिका में जाकर कांग्रेस के ज्येष्ठ नेता राहुल गांधी ने जिस तरह का बयान किया है, उनका असली रूप जो है कांग्रेस का उनके मुंह से बाहर आया है। लोकसभा चुनाव में इन्होंने संविधान खतरे में भाजपा का संविधान बदलेगी ये झूठा नैरेटिव फैलाकर वोट लिए और आज उन्होंने वहां अमेरिका में जाके कहा है कि जो डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने भारतीय संविधान के अंदर मागासवर्गीय को, शेड्यूल ट्राइब को, ओबीसी को, सारे पिछड़ी जातियों को जो रिजर्वेशन दिया है, ये रिजर्वेशन हमें खत्म करना है। इस तरह के अल्फाज उनके मुंह से बाहर आए, उनके जो पेट में मैल था वो बाहर आया है। मेरा चैलेंज है इस राहुल गांधी को, जो बाबा साहब का संविधान करने की बात करते हैं, जो इसकी जिवा छटेगा मैं उसको 11 लाख का इनाम दूंगा, जो मेरे बाबा साहब का संविधान बदलने की बात कर रहा है।
Abhishek Awasthi is joining us live. Outrageous and a very, very controversial comment there coming in from a Shiv Sena MLA. Now, Abhishek, does the Shiv Sena, do the top leaders of the Shiv Sena endorse this kind of commentary that has been made by their own MLA against Rahul Gandhi?
This statement is very, no one will, neither Chief Minister Eknath Shinde or any partners of the Mahayuti will endorse such kind of a statement. And at the same time, there are many ways to express your anger, your opinion over certain statement made by. And more importantly, we should not forget that Rahul Gandhi is also a leader of opposition.
All right, so this is the latest coming in, a controversial remark by a Shiv Sena MLA. This also comes just a day after Union Minister Ravneet Singh Bittu also, in fact, said that Rahul Gandhi is India's #1 terrorist and India's #1 enemy. And now another comment being made by a Shiv Sena MLA. His name is Sanjay Gaikwad. He says that 11 lakh rupee reward will be given to anyone who cuts Rahul Gandhi's tongue. Let's listen in.
अमेरिका में जाकर कांग्रेस के ज्येष्ठ नेता राहुल गांधी ने जिस तरह का बयान किया है, उनका असली रूप जो है कांग्रेस का उनके मुंह से बाहर आया है। लोकसभा चुनाव में इन्होंने संविधान खतरे में भाजपा का संविधान बदलेगी ये झूठा नैरेटिव फैलाकर वोट लिए और आज उन्होंने वहां अमेरिका में जाके कहा है कि जो डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने भारतीय संविधान के अंदर मागासवर्गीय को, शेड्यूल ट्राइब को, ओबीसी को, सारे पिछड़ी जातियों को जो रिजर्वेशन दिया है, ये रिजर्वेशन हमें खत्म करना है। इस तरह के अल्फाज उनके मुंह से बाहर आए, उनके जो पेट में मैल था वो बाहर आया है। मेरा चैलेंज है इस राहुल गांधी को, जो बाबा साहब का संविधान करने की बात करते हैं, जो इसकी जिवा छटेगा मैं उसको 11 लाख का इनाम दूंगा, जो मेरे बाबा साहब का संविधान बदलने की बात कर रहा है।
Controversial, outrageous and also unacceptable. Can this kind of a discourse be allowed? Shiv Sena's Sanjay Gaikwad has said that he will offer 11 lakh reward to anyone who cuts Rahul Gandhi's tongue. We have Pramod Tiwari joining us on the phone line. Mr. Tiwari, another controversial comment coming in this time. A Shiv Sena MLA has offered 11 lakh rupees to anyone who cuts Rahul Gandhi's tongue. How is the Congress planning to counter these kind of statements being made?
मैं देख रहा हूँ ये लगातार सिलसिलेवार ये होता जा रहा है। पहले एक बीजेपी के एमएलए कहते हैं वो अपने दादी का हाथ सजाने याद रखें उसे, दूसरा उनको आतंकी बताता है इनके मंत्रिपरिषद का सदस्य मोदी जी के, और तीसरा उनके गठबंधन का एक जीभ काटने की बात करता है। तो भाजपा हिंसा पे उतर आई है। मोदी जी की सरकार लगता है हिल गई इस बात से। मैं सिर्फ इतना कहूंगा कि लोकतंत्र में इसके लिए कोई स्थान नहीं है और मैं इसकी कठोरतम शब्दों में निंदा करता हूं।
Okay, Pramod Tiwari of the Congress condemning what the statement being made by Shiv Sena MLA. Thank you, Mr. Tiwari, for joining us. There is no space for this kind of commentary in politics. But right now we have back-to-back controversial comments made by Shiv Sena MLA today, and yesterday it was Union Minister Ravneet Bittu. Right now, the comment made by Shiv Sena MLA, we'll have to see the kind of action that will be taken. We have Rakesh Trivedi joining us on the phone line. Rakesh, a very controversial statement, and many would say unacceptable, because you cannot, in a democratic and in a civilized society, no matter how strongly you oppose your critics, your opponents, you cannot say something like this, that 11 lakh rupees will be offered as reward to anyone who cuts the tongue of the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. How is the Shiv Sena going to take action or react to the kind of comment that has come in from their MLA?
A few minutes ago, Eknath Shinde had visited Lal Bagh Sa Raja Ganesh Pandal, and the same question was asked to him, but he dodged this question, saying that I would like to answer only questions related to Lal Bagh Sa Raja. So that's how he dodged the question right now. Perhaps the Shiv Sena doesn't seem to have any strategy to respond on the Sanjay Gaikwad's controversial comment. On the other hand, Congress is also taking it very seriously. In fact, leaders like Bhai Jagtap and Atul Lunde have confirmed that they are considering the legal opinion on this, and they might move about some legal action against the MLA for his hateful speech. So definitely, Sanjay Gaikwad was addressing a press conference, and somehow he lost his control and made such a comment, which is not acceptable by many.
Has there been a clarification from him after he made that kind of comment? Because obviously now that he's going to face the heat, the Congress party, like you are saying, is also mulling a legal strategy to counter the Shiv Sena over such a remark. How do you think Sanjay Gaikwad is now going to defend himself or even give a clarification for a comment that he made like this?
He has not clarified anything so far, but perhaps if there is some instruction from the seniors in the party, like if Eknath Shinde calls him up and asks him to apologize or to withdraw the statement, perhaps in that case, he may come up with some clarification, and it would be very much interesting to see that how he defends himself. But currently, no defense has come forward from his side.
And like you're mentioning, Rakesh, as you're saying, your sources are telling you that the top leadership of the Shiv Sena has in fact conveyed their displeasure. There was a phone call that was made, and will the MLA now have to apologize? Is that expected?
Yes, that is quite expected, because what we are learning from our sources that top leadership from the Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde party, in fact, they're about to speak to the MLA. In fact, Shrikant Shinde himself is also not, satisfied with this statement, and nobody can defend him. Perhaps that could be the reason, and we may see some defense or clarification from the MLA in some time.
Okay, thank you, Rakesh, for joining us with all those details. And obviously, this kind of a commentary, which many would say is also an attempt to stoke, violence. This is hate speech. And like sources are telling us, the MLA, the leadership of the Shiv Sena has possibly asked the MLA to apologize. Will he apologize, and will the apology be enough? And there's breaking news coming in. There is another politician. This is the Shiv Sena MLA from Buldana. His name is Sanjay Gaikwad. He has now made a controversial statement about Lok Sabha leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi. He has offered a reward of 11 lakh rupees for anyone who cuts his tongue. Listen in.
अमेरिका में जाकर कांग्रेस के ज्येष्ठ नेता राहुल गांधी ने जिस तरह का बयान किया है, उनका असली रूप जो है कांग्रेस का उनके मुंह से बाहर आया है। लोकसभा चुनाव में उन्होंने संविधान खतरे में भाजपा का संविधान बदलेगी, ये झूठा नैरेटिव फैलाकर वोट लिए। और आज उन्होंने वहां अमेरिका में जाके कहा है कि जो डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब अम्बेडकर ने भारतीय संविधान के अंदर मागासवर्गीय को, शेड्यूल ट्राइब को, ओबीसी को, सारे पिछड़ी जातियों को जो रिजर्वेशन दिया है, ये रिजर्वेशन हमें खत्म करना है, इस तरह के अल्फाज उनके मुंह से बाहर आए। उनके जो पेट में मैल था वो बाहर आया है। मेरा चैलेंज है इस राहुल गांधी को, जो बाबा साहब का संविधान करने की बात करते हैं, जो इसकी जिवा छटेगा, मैं उसको 11 लाख का इनाम दूंगा, जो मेरे बाबा साहब का संविधान बदलने की बात कर रहा है।